Hello students, let's continue the same chapter in SST, chapter 11, Great National Leader. And today we will discuss about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The full name of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was Sardar Vallabhbhai Javirbhai Patel. He was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat, India. His father's name was Javirbhai Patel, who was a simple farmer. His mother's name was Ladbai, who was a simple lady. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a very hard-working individual from his childhood. He was wise, intelligent, bold, and strong. He used to help his father in farming and also devoted some time to his study. He became an Indian barrister and statesman. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the leaders of Indian National Congress and one of the founding fathers of Republic of India. He took active part in the struggle of India. He became the first Home Minister and the Prime Minister of India. He used his strength and determination to bring together the many Indian princely states to form one united country, India as we know it today. He was often known as the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel died on 15th December 1950 at the age of 75. He shall ever be remembered for his great work. Now let's talk about Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian patriot and political leader. He was the first Prime Minister of independent and free India. He was born in Nehru family on the 14th November in 1889 at Allahabad. His father Motilal Nehru was also a patriot and leader of Indian freedom movement. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a great scholar and wrote a number of good books. His most famous book is Discovery of India. He had deep love and affection for children. He said that children are like birds in a garden. They should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they were the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. He felt that children are the real strength of a country. He is lovingly known as Chacha Nehru. Children's Day is celebrated annually in India on 14th November, birth date of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And then he passed away on May 27, 1964. Indira Gandhi, daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Now the chapter is completed. I hope you have understood about great leaders of India. Now we will start exercise. See here. Who were Lal Bal Pal in India's freedom struggle? So in first part of video I have discussed about Bal, Lal, Bal and Pal. So you write the name of Lal Bal Pal. Who were Lal Bal Pal? Okay, this answer also you write. Now we will start exercise. Number A. Tick the correct answer. First, Rani Lakshmi Bai was born in A. 1845, 1835, 1870. So the correct answer is 1835. Number 2. Lala Lajpat Rai was born in 1840, 1855 or 1865. So the answer is C, 1865. Now 3 number. Subhash Chandra Bose was born in 1847, 1897 or 1870. So the answer is B, 1897. Number 4. Sarojini Naidu was born in Agra, Hyderabad, Jaipur. So the answer is B, Hyderabad. Number 5. Discovery of India was written by Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sarojini Naidu. So the answer is B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Now come to B number. Fill in the blanks. First, Tilak brought 2 weeklies, dash in English and dash in Marathi. So the answer is Maratha in English and Kesari in Marathi. Number 2. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Number 3. Dash was the first Prime Minister of our country. And the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Number 4. Dash was the first Home Minister of our country. And the answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Number 5. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel died on 15th December 1950. Now, number C. Match the following. Lala Lajpat Rai, Punjab Kesari. Number 2. Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. Number 3. Subhash Chandra Bose. 3 number Netaji. Number 4. Sarojini Naidu, Nightingale of India. Number 5. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India. Now next page. D number. Write true or false for the statement. Number 1. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This is true statement. Number 2. Home rule movement was started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. This is also true. Gandhiji believed in violence. No, this is false. Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi. This is true. Number 5. The famous slogan, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom," was given by Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, this is also true. Now come to last one, last exercise. Let's do and learn. Read the clues and write the names of the great national leader. Number 1. She adopted Damodar Rao as her son, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Number 2. He founded the INA, Subhash Chandra Bose. Number 3. At the age of 13, she wrote a long poem and a drama in English. And the answer is Sarojini Naidu. Number 4. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Number 5. He is lovingly called Chacha Nehru. And the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Now the lesson is completed. So you complete this exercise in your book. Okay, complete this exercise in your book and try to write this answer in your SST copy. Who were Lal Bal Pal in India's freedom struggle? Okay? Till then, thank you.